Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be about the Jordan Why Not .4.
Your tracks today.
Stage dive, man, I got a lot of shit that's on my mind. Trying to find the perfect way to say goodbye.
Okay, welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the damn channel or whatever. How do I feel about these shoes? I give them a 6 out of 10. A 6 out of 10. Reason being because I'm not really active wear type of dude. I just like wearing like nice looking sneakers. But these shoes are kind of like an active wear. Like I'm gonna go ball out really quickly. Not my cup of tea really. So that's why I give them a 6 out of 10. They're nice shoes. They're nice colorway. The really random artwork I like. Really cool. But yeah, they're comfortable. They're comfortability, I give them an 8 out of 10. And overall, it's just a nice colorway, nice pattern. But yeah, let's get up to the video. I'm gonna give you some on feet, some unboxing, and some other stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and let's get into it.
Hardcore body numb, bitch, I'm number one. I've been through the slums, hardcore body numb, bitch, I'm number one. I owe you niggas nothing, this ain't having fun, bitch, I'm grinding till I say I won. My road just begun, weight on my back, feel like a ton. I've been through the slums, hardcore body numb, bitch, I'm number one. I owe you niggas none, this ain't having fun, bitch, I'm grinding till I say I won. My road just begun, weight on my back, feel like a ton. Yeah. Bitch, I'm grinding till I say I'm done. Wish a nigga would, like Tiger, I put a hole in you a bitch. Only time you feel safe is when you hold a gun. I don't need a hold none, but my set, that's how I'm coming. Everybody know that life is hard, but this shit just keep on coming. Two types of niggas, one that buy and one that let it get fronted. Personal pack, I'ma tax them 100. I don't tell us, I'ma keep it 100. Most of you niggas might look at me funny, but them is the niggas that ain't worth nothing. Pass me a lot, I'm smoking on sun. Talk about rap, the game, I run it. Guess I gotta bring them back to reality. I'm the hardest out, probably why these niggas mad at me. Front page in your book like a magazine. Target practice shooting at dummies, man, what a stress relief. Yeah, all this shit be stressing me. Good cook, but ain't no recipe. But I'ma find a way we all eat, man, let's have a feast. I've been through the slums, hardcore body numb, bitch, I'm number one. I owe you niggas none, this ain't having fun, bitch, I'm grinding till I say I won. My road just begun, weight on my back, feel like a ton. I've been through the slums, hardcore body numb, bitch, I'm number one. I owe you niggas none, this ain't having fun, bitch, I'm grinding till I say I won. My road just begun, weight on my back, feel like a ton.
Like and subscribe. 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 Like and subscribe.